Now, we're hearing a lot about the credit crunch, and just today there were reports of house prices in some areas falling by 7% in the last year. But on Anglesey, this house has gone on the market and it's claimed it's going to buck the trend. Well, it's on the banks of the Menai Strait, and Roger Pinney is there for us. Roger, tell me, are you thinking of putting in an offer for this?
Oh, I wish, Claire, I wish. But anyway, this is Anver, and the price tag, a cool £3.25 million. Now, this house sits in around 3 acres of gardens and there's frontage right down onto the Menai Strait. So a little bit earlier, I had a quick look round to see what you get for that kind of money. Location, 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 they say. Well, Anver's got it, and in spades. But if the outside is dramatic, what about inside the house?
So welcome, Roger. Coming into Anver, and you're about to see something you'll never see the likes of again. The
man in charge of selling Anver is Tim Goodwin. He's quick to describe it as unique, but then he is an estate agent. But to be fair, it isn't every day a house like this comes on the market.
It was specifically built so that at this level you were brought into the main entertaining rooms, although actually you're 3 floors up from the actual garden areas. Right, we're going to go into the main drawing room now, where a magnificent ceiling is the first thing that grants you. You're matched by a superb fireplace. But you're automatically drawn to this bay window because the view here to the Menai Straits is second to none, in my opinion.
Anver was built in the mid-19th century. Inspired by a French chateau, it was a weekend retreat for Lady Sarah Hay Williams, whose home was at Bodelwyddan Castle, barely 30 miles away. Lady Sarah's picture still hangs on the wall. The present owners have invested years restoring it. Now they're selling because of a family illness. But what sort of person is likely to buy this?
We've had a lot of people looking at it from the northwest region. We haven't actually advertised it on the national basis yet, but it's quite conceivable it could be somebody from outside the area. You don't know, it could be a lottery winner or a football player, or it could be somebody just looking to get a wonderful house on the shores of the Menai Straits.
£3.25 million, though, that's an awful lot of money. Which begs the question, is this the most expensive house on the market in Wales at the moment? Well, I can't tell you the answer to that, but I can tell you that in the estate agent's blurb, this is a manor fit for a lord. And so far, 10 prospective lords have had a look round with the prospect of buying this place. And if there isn't a lottery winner or a professional footballer out there, the house, I'm told, will divide easily into 4 separate homes. But anyway, credit crunch or not, the estate agents tell me this is a house that will sell, Claire. What about you?
Roger, do you know something? It really suits you. You do look the part. Thank you very much indeed.